Hi guys, welcome back to the garage for video number 3 today. Yes, 3. I've got so much stuff this week, I'm telling you. I tried to do it in my clothes, couldn't, so the house dress is back on. Okay, so I've got some stuff I want to talk about. One is September decks. I definitely have, I don't know that I don't think I've bought uh, one deck. I bought one deck, and then I have, like six that are on pre order. So those really don't count. But so far, I've only purchased one deck in September. However, I've been buying other things instead. So, first, I'm going to show you this. Now, you all know I have a thing with hearts. I had no idea this stone was this big when I bought it. I thought it was, smaller. But this is a Madagascar bloodstone. Isn't it just beautiful? It's just gorgeous. It's so dark blue. I love this stone. And so, yeah, so I have been looking, of course, for heart-shaped gemstones. So I got this one. And then I saw something that I have never ever seen before. And that is, this is a tourmaline, black tourmaline heart. Can you believe that? I've only seen black tourmaline in its raw form. I have never seen it carved. And so and there was only one. So, I had to have this baby. And it really wasn't that expensive. Um, I bid on these through eBay, both of these. And then when I got this one, they were kind enough as a thank you gift. They actually sent me a small piece of raw tourmaline, which I thought was really sweet as well. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. I love that. So I got another lovely piece of raw black tourmaline. This is the only tourmaline I have. God, I love this heart. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good and comforting. And it's a cool stone to the touch. So that's great because I'm hot. So and then I couldn't resist. I was in my one of my favorite crystal shops earlier this week, and they had this teeny tiny rose quartz heart. Teeny tiny. I mean, you can see the difference next to how teeny tiny it is. But it was so darn cute little rose quartz heart. Now I want to talk to you about something else. You see this lovely thing here? This lovely thing is a piece of peach selenite. I'd never seen peach selenite before, let alone in a heart shape. And sometimes when I'm feeling overwhelmed, um, tough work week, whatever, I meditate with my selenite to just kind of, bring everything down and back into focus. And oftentimes I will lay down and I will place it right here. Well, a couple days ago, dummy me, I must have been really needing something because I did that and then I fell asleep and I slept on it all night. And I did not realize just how soft selenite is. I could kill myself. I got up in the morning and apparently I had slept on it during the night. I don't know if I can, but can you see where the edge is now chipped? Yes. I squished the edge. Boy, that's hard to see there. There you go. A little bit better anyway. See? I now chipped the edge of my selenite. So, and it happened with both edges. one more so than the other. I don't know, can you see that right there? Yeah. So the other side is definitely more so than the other. Don't sleep with your selenite. I'm almost thinking don't even meditate with it. Just have it nearby. So I've learned my lesson with my peach selenite, which even though it's slightly damaged, I absolutely love it. The vibes off it are just beautiful. Um, so there's a little PSA for you. Now, I do have a deck unboxing, and that's only because I, as everybody knows now, Two Spirit and I are trading decks. I found the Ostara Tarot on Barnes & Noble's shelf physically here in San Diego, and he's been unable to get a copy of it anywhere. In the meantime, he purchased the Ghosts and Spirits Tarot and really didn't connect with it, and I've been dying to have that deck. So we're going to swap. But when I went back to the Barnes & Noble to get the Ostara Tarot for him, what did they have but this little bugger? So I said, well, you know. So I'm going to unbox the Wonderland Tarot. Now, of course, in true form, those of us with tarot cards and nice boxes and things that we love very much, yeah. Well, I forgot to bring my bag to Barnes & Noble, and I wasn't going to pay for a bag. So I'm carrying everything out, and what happens but my deck slides off the top and hits the ground, and so now I have a dented box. Yeah, it happens to all of us, doesn't it? So this is only my third tarot in a tin. First one I got was the Centennial Rider-Waite, and then because Two Spirit recommended that one when I first started collecting Rider-Waite decks. And then I saw Aveline with her Morgan Greer. So I got a Morgan Greer in a tin too. So now I have the Wonderland Tarot. And for those of you who want to know, yes, I already have the Tarot of Wonderland, or the other one from Barbara Moore, on pre-order. So I've opened it, and the tarot cards are inside, and they're sealed. So we're gonna get our little scissors out here. I love those little scissors. My mom found those. Those were her favorite scissors. We use them for all this little stuff. So, okay, so here we go. So here is the first top of the card. The Wonderland Tarot. Oh, that's cute. And then they do a second one that's backwards. So it looks the correct way. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. These are the backs of the cards. And U.S. Games, the stock, pretty flimsy. Pretty flimsy. Yeah, even for U.S. Games. Yeah. Okay. So let's start. Here we go. The Wonderland. Oh, wait a minute. I got an LWB here to look at. U.S. Games. Introduction. Tarot deck. Just has, like a whole page about the each of the major arcana. And then it's got a good-sized paragraph about each of the minor arcana, which is cool. Oh my, they did change the names. Then they have a 10-card spread. They just call it a 10-card spread. So, which is pretty much, yeah, they call it a 10-card spread. Guess what? Celtic Cross, hello. Okay. So, they have changed the names. So let's see, I don't know. Ah, here we go. Okay, so we have flamingos, which are swords, peppermills, which are wands, hats are cups, and oysters are coins. All right. All right. Here we go. Here's the deck. The Fool. Yeah, the Mad Hatter. Love it. The Magician. High Priestess. Oh, the Empress. Cheshire Cat. There you go. That's the one. There's Lovers. I don't know if that's cute or creepy. Chariot. Strength. Unicorn. Look at the Hermit. Oh my god. I love that card. How cute is that card? The Wheel of Fortune. That has everybody. Justice. Interesting. Standing on his head. And then, of course, we have the Hanged Man. Which, is that a lobster? I do believe it is. Okay. Ah, death. Off with her head. Temperance. The Devil. It's a pretty good devil card. The Tower. I'm late. I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Star. Moon. The Sun. Humpty Dumpty. I like that. And that is the World. So there's the majors. All right, so we're going to the Ace of Flamingos, and flamingos are swords. That's an interesting Three of Swords. I like that. Look at the Nine of Swords. Oh, and then, oh my. Yeah, it looks like a square person there, laying there with his arm right there. One of the playing cards. That's what it is. It's one of the playing cards. And here's the Page of Swords. And the Knight of Swords. The Queen. And the King. This is a cute deck. This is a cute deck. Okay. Hats are cups. Oh, and I just noticed that they have the actual playing card numbers on them as well. And I'm covering it up, but it's in both corners here. See? So that's the Two of Hearts. My, they do not look happy with each other. Three. kind of like these. They're whimsical, but the symbols are all there. I love how they also have the playing card uh, feel with them. So, Ten of Cups. Page. I love the oversized heads on some of these too. That's kind of cool. Knight. Queen. And the King. All right, now we're going to oysters, which is pentacles. Here we go. There you go, Two Spirit. I don't know. I don't know about that Five of Pentacles. Although he does have the tears, can he not, maybe he can't go out in the ocean, or I see a tail. I don't know. Maybe something happened. Anyway. Oh, here we go. Here's a good one. Six of Pentacles. Look at her face. 7. 8. Page. Knight. I love these big fat-headed people. Queen. And the King. Last one, Ace of Peppermills, which is Wands. So we have the Ace of Wands. 2. Oh my. Uh-oh. Ribbit. Ooh. There's the Knight. I think all the queens are fat-headed. And then lastly, the King. All right, guys, so there you have it, the Wonderland Tarot. I don't know. I don't know. I like the cards. I like the imagery. Some of the cards I'm like, not so sure about, but we'll see. I'm also, like my soul sister, Wands is my weakest suit. So I'm going to work on that, as I know she's working on it, so we're both working it. But anyway, I'm going to give these a shuffle, and I'm going to pick a card, see what we get. I'm going to fan them out here, and I'm going to go for this one, which is the Six of Flamingos. Ooh, Six of Flamingos. So, flamingos is swords. Six of Swords. Time to leave the old and move on to something new. Start something new. The old is done, and it's, been done time and time again, and it's time to move on to something fresh. So there you have it, folks. My overview of the Wonderland Tarot. Much love, and we'll see you next time.